If your Galaxy S25 Ultra has no sound while playing media or music or videos, or you're not hearing ringtones for incoming calls even when the volume is set to maximum, don't worry. We have got some quick and easy fixes to get your speakers working once again. Alright guys, so first off, what you need to do is just make sure your device is not on Do Not Disturb or DND. And if you're seeing this volume button is grayed out, that means mute all sound is enabled, either accidentally or intentionally. So to disable it, open up Settings, go to Accessibility, to Hearing Enhancement, and from here, make sure Mute All Sound option is turned off. And while you're here, you can check out if your phone's left and right speaker is balanced or set at the middle. Same goes for any connected device or Bluetooth device. Now talking about Bluetooth device, if there is still no audio or ringtone on your speaker, make sure there is no Bluetooth device connected to it. You can just unpair it, disconnect them, whatever you want. Now if that didn't solve your problem, swipe down Quick Access Panel, press and hold on the sound icon, and make sure it's not muted or temporarily muted. Just go ahead, select sound from here. And after changing all these settings, just press on your volume rocker, and from here, make sure all types of volumes like media, notification, system volume is turned up. Alright, so after that, we're gonna just go ahead and restart our device. Because if it's happening for any software glitch, a simple restart will solve this issue. And apart from that, you can just go ahead and clean the speaker section to make sure there is no dust or debris in there that might be closing out all the sound. A simple trick is play anything at full volume and then clean or simply shake off the dust from your speaker. Alright guys, so lastly, if none of this helped you, there might be some customized settings somewhere in your device you've made that's causing these problems. So we are gonna reset all settings on our device. Open up settings and simply search with reset. Go to reset all settings. To reset all settings. As you can see, this will not delete any data, will just reset some customized settings, including your Wi-Fi password. So if you're okay with that, just tap on reset settings a couple of times. And after your device restarts from reset all settings, if there is a hardware issue, hopefully your speaker problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.